Hello guys, I'm George, I'm the TeckWrap trainer, and today I'm going to present you the new Color PPF. Have a look. To ensure a seamless look on complex curves, we're going with a two-piece install. Start by laying knifeless tape along the primary body line. When peeling the liner, keep the adhesive clean. Position your sheet and establish a perfect glass surface to distribute tension. Remember, TPU has natural memory. Stretching it cold allows the film to seat properly without distorting the high gloss finish. Work with the material, not against it. Apply a slight cold stretch to eliminate any fingers and lock the TPU onto the housing. Use your squeegee to carefully feed the film into the recessed areas, maintaining consistent pressure. Removing the bulk material gives you better control over the final edges. A quick flash of heat helps to relax the TPU. Check for any tension spikes and ensure the adhesive is fully seated. Check out that depth. It looks more like fresh paint than a wrap. Take a fresh blade and carefully perform a precise relief cut near the indicator. Keep your hand steady for a clean, factory-like finish. Snap off the excess. Create a lead-in cut to access your knifeless tape filament. Time to pull the string. One smooth motion with the knifeless tape gives you a cleaner edge than any hand cut ever could. Reset with a new line of knifeless tape right on that same edge. This is how you prep for the second half of the wrap. Same drill for the top section. Get that glass surface and let the TPU conform to the shape of the mirror. Make sure the film is fully locked down on those steep curves. Heat is your diagnostic tool. Use it to confirm that the edges are locked down and the material is stable. Pulling the string again. This creates a perfect butt joint between the two pieces of Color PPF. Finish the edges with a bit of heat to make sure they're sealed and tucked perfectly. Finish with a steady hand on the final trim. Remember, TPU doesn't need post-heating like vinyl, but a light edge seal is always best practice. Boom! Here is the finished mirror in Color PPF. Color change, paint protection, and zero orange peel. Subscribe for more TeckWrap Masterclass videos.